Hi everyone, I'm just doing a product review for instasmile as I have the Moment, the Classic and the Platinum. So I just wanted to do a quick review just to kind of show you the difference, how they look, how they feel. So this is the three products. I do have the Moment in the BL1, the Classic in the A1 and the Platinum in the BL1. So I'm just going to try them on, starting with the Moment, and just show you how they look, how they feel, things like that. So first of all, this is the Moment. As you can see, there's no clips in the back. Just clips into place. Looks really good. Feels really good. Absolutely brilliant. It's the first product I got. I got it just for a christening. Just wanted something to give me a bit more confidence as my teeth was showing signs of staining, and I'm really conscious about getting my teeth bleached. I'll take these one out now and change them. As you can see, they come out really easily. This is the Classic A1, so it is a little bit darker than the last one. And that's the Classic. All of these are natural. I've not gone for the straighter smile as I do quite like my natural smile. Didn't want any length or anything added, and just wanted something to make my teeth a bit whiter. I've got dark cracks on my front two teeth, so that's the Classic. Again, looks absolutely amazing. I love all of my products from instasmile. And as you can see, this has got the clips on the back. And then moving on to the Platinum, which I have only recently got. Just still getting used to them at the moment because they are ever so slightly thick, but when you look at them compared to the others, there's hardly any difference at all. They just feel a lot better on. And that's the Platinum, which are amazing. Like I said, I'm just trying to get used to them at the moment, but they fit absolutely amazingly. They do give me a little bit of a lisp when I first put them in, but after about 20 minutes, half an hour of wearing them, it's totally gone. I'd really recommend instasmile to anybody, friends, family, anybody that you know. Amazing company, amazing customer services. They'll help you from start to end. They'll help you with the decisions of shade, colour, design, anything at all. And they also offer video calls, which is amazing, where they can go through with one of the agents to help you get your impressions, which I found really helpful. So yeah, give instasmile a try. Bye.